Welcome to LON-1, Iron Mountain's data center on the Slough trading estate near London. Built to F1000 banking specifications, LON-1 is a 22,000 square meter purpose-built data center and is part of Iron Mountain's global data center portfolio. Located 19 kilometers from Heathrow Airport, our London data center has a total IT load of 9.5 megawatts and 5,352 square meters of critical IT space capacity. Physical and logical security are utilized throughout the data center. Vehicle traps and raised bollards at the entrance enhance perimeter security. Security personnel provide 24/7, 365 support. The data center has 6 892 square meter data halls, 3 15 MVA power feeds, and diverse dark fiber points of entry. Security vestibules with 3-factor authentication are situated outside each data hall to ensure secure access. Iron Mountain maintains one of the most comprehensive compliance programs in the industry. Our London data center has co-location options to fit your needs. Customers can choose from single racks in the open hall area to a customized cage or suite for added security. Electrical and fiber runs are housed overhead, ensuring maximum cooling below raised floors. Racks as high as 47U can be accommodated. Hot and cold aisle containment gives customers support of up to 15 kilowatts per rack. CRAW and power distribution units are located in corridors adjacent to data halls for easier maintenance and to avoid contractor access to customer space. Concurrently maintainable mechanical and electrical equipment is built to Uptime Institute Tier 3 standards in an N+1 design. UPS systems can handle 4 minutes at full load, and generators kick in within 15 seconds in the case of the absence of utility power. Power to LON-1 comes from 3 paralleled substations. Power feeds to each data hall are in a block redundant system, with diverse PDUs providing power to data halls via busbar. Each power block is supported by a 2.4 megawatt low-voltage generator set, with 48 hours of fuel on site. The chilled water system is in a redundant ring distribution system, providing resilient water distribution to loads within the building, with chillers in an N+1 configuration. LON-1 is carrier and cloud neutral, with 2 Meet Me rooms providing physically diverse connectivity to each data hall. Iron Mountain's Metrowave service offers less than 1 millisecond latency to the carrier hotel Equinix LD4, which connects customers to any provider of their choice, ensuring access to major hyperscale cloud providers. 2 loading docks equipped with leveler dockers can accommodate up to 5,000 kilograms per lift. Delivery paths in the single-story building provide easy loading of critical equipment to the data halls. If you're looking for a trusted data center partner in London to protect, connect, and activate your data, contact us for a tour today.